Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to explain about our library management system. First of all, this is our menu pages. You can see welcome to Unisa library system, log in as student, register as student, and log in as admin. So if you're a student, you need to register first. So for student registration, we need to input our user ID, name, and password. So after all that, your registration is successful. So after a successful registration, you can log in to the student login by just put the user ID and password. If your password is wrong, it will appear that login failed. But if your password is true, you will enter to the student dashboard. At the student dashboard, you can view available books. You can see English, Bahasa Melayu, and you can borrow the book by enter the ID of the book. And if you see at available books, you can see that English book is borrowed. So it shows that you already booked the books. So if you want to check your history, you can just see at this view borrowing history. And if you have some fine, paid fine, and so on, and you can just log out. And for admin, you can log in and admin, put the user ID, password, and security code, because it's just for the admin, not for the student. And if the security code is incorrect, it will appear that incorrect, and if correct, you can just log in into the system. So this is the admin dashboard. You can view all the books that student borrow and available. You can add book by enter the book ID, so and enter the book title also to add the book into the system. For example, No Love, and the author of the book. So you need to put the book ID, the title and author, and book added. If you can see, No Love available. So if you want to remove the book, also you need to enter the book ID to remove, and the book remove. So before this, there are 5 books, now 4 books. So after that, if you want to trace the booking system, you can check student borrowings for the book by just enter the student ID. You can see the book they borrowed, what time, the date, and if there are some fine, you can see there are fine 9 ringgit, and you want to calculate the student fine, just enter the student ID, and the total fine is 9 ringgit. So you can just log in as student, user ID, password, and log in. And at the student, you can view available books, you can view borrowing history, and you need to pay the fine before you borrow the new book. So for pay the fine, you need to enter the book ID and input the return date. Okay, next, pay the fine by enter the book ID. So it will appear that it has been paid, and it's paid fine history. So this is for student dashboard, and that's all from us. Thank you.